Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right arm. Left arm. Right leg. Everybody in, everybody out. Everybody turn around, everybody shout. Everybody ready, here we go. Let's do the Pinocchio. Right.
Before starting our class, I have some expectations from you all. All of you listen my class carefully and sit in a proper and comfortable place. And you have to take your science learner's book, science notebook and pen. Okay, now are you all ready? Okay. So, our last classes we will discussing about solids, liquids, gases and behavior of these solids, liquids and how the melting, boiling, freezing etc. are occur. So, today we are going to learn something new. Let us see what are the learning objectives of today's class. Learning objective. Make relevant observation and comparison. Make relevant observation and comparison. Today we are going to learn about melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. What do you mean by melting point and boiling point? Okay, we'll discuss. Quick note that some substances are melt and boil. Isn't it? Some substances are melt and boil. Different substances make different times to melt. Different substances make different time to melt. We know that different substances make different time to melt because it takes different amount of heat. Because it takes different amount of heat. The amount of heat is different for all the substances. The amount of heat taken for melting and boiling is different in all the substances. Look my dear children, what is it? Here, ice cube. Ice cubes. We know that we have to heat this ice cube. What will happen? Here, these ice cubes are changed into water. How to heat these ice cubes? The ice cubes are changed into water. That means a solid substance is heated, it becomes changed into liquid. The process is known as melting. The process is known as melting. Melting means a solid substance is heated, it becomes changed into liquid. That is melting. So, in melting, some heat is needed. Some heat is needed for melting. So, the heat is different for all the substances. The amount of heat is different for all the substances. So, friends, how can measure the amount of heat? How can measure the amount the liquid is heated, it becomes changed into gas. So the process is known as hello friends, are you tired? Are you tired? Okay, all of you please stand up. Stand up. Okay. Clap 3 times. Clap. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Take a deep breath. Okay. Relax. Okay. Sit up. Okay, now what is the process? The water is boiling. It becomes changed into gas. The process is known as boiling. Boiling. Water is heated. Water becomes changed into gas. The process is known as boiling. That means boiling. A liquid is heated. It becomes changed into gas. That is known as boiling. So some heat is needed for this process. That is some heat or some temperature is needed for this boiling. So the amount of temperature in boiling is known as boiling point. The amount